Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must begin by confirming admin access to the router and noting its firmware. This is crucial because features differ by model. Once done, gather each user device's MAC or assign static IPs so you can target limits precisely. Make a full backup of current settings before changing anything and enable SSH or remote access only if required. This prevents lockouts and lets you revert if a rule breaks. Then log into the router's control panel to locate quality of service or bandwidth control options. You now create the actual limits by selecting per IP or per MAC shaping or class-based co-S if available. Pick what maps best to your device list. Then set concrete upload and download caps, enter values in kbps or mbps, and reserve about 5 to 10% for protocol overhead so you avoid buffer bloat. Next, make priority rules. Mark VoIP IP and conferencing as high priority so latency stays low. Once configured, apply rules and test with a speed test on a target device to confirm the limits are enforced. You finish by applying settings, rebooting the router, and running simultaneous upload/download tests on multiple clients to see behavior under load. Make sure to monitor per-client graphs or live logs for a day or two so you can spot spikes or misapplied rules. If limits don't stick, check for hardware NAT offloads, double NAT from ISP modem, or firmware restrictions. Disabling hardware acceleration or switching the ISP device to bridge mode often resolves conflicts. Finally, adjust caps and priorities until traffic flows predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.